You can record directly into Audacity once you have a microphone connected to the computer. You can use the computer's built-in microphone, but it is not recommended since the audio quality may be compromised. Before starting to record, there are a few things that need to be set up. First, select the microphone you'll be using. You can see the list of microphones attached to your computer. If you do not see your microphone on the list, go to Transport, Rescan Audio Device, and look for your microphone again. Next, choose your output device for playback from the drop-down menu if you wish to use external speakers or headphones. Then you'll have to adjust the recording volume and playback volume to the correct level. The monitoring meter will show you how loud the volume is. It should normally be targeted around -12 but no less than -24, and it should never reach 0, otherwise you will hear clipping. This is important when you are recording. After everything is set up, click the record button and start recording. A new track will be automatically created. To record on another new track, press and hold the Shift key and then click the record button. If you wish to briefly stop recording, click the pause button and click it again to resume. Click the stop button to stop recording completely. Note that you will have to click the stop button before you can edit the audio tracks. Click the play button to hear the playback from the beginning of the track. To start playing from a specific point of the track, bring your playhead to the designated point by clicking on the track itself.